Save this video if you want to experience Universal Studios Singapore. Hi kay Gala, part 9 na tayo sa ating fun activities here in USS. Next natin, which is a dream of mine talaga kay Gala, to witness an actual on-set of a film or a movie show. Ang lights, camera, action. Dito mo talaga makikita how delicate and efforts to put in to offer a good and a better show to your audience. Dapat behind the scenes pa lang pinaghandaan na at para talaga maging patok at tangkilikin ang mga pelikula, just like lights, camera, action here in Singapore. Biruin mo yon, may pa-actual fire effects pa sila, rainfall at napaka-solid na sound effects para mabuo ang isang movie. Kaya I can relate kay Gala. Creating a content is not an easy talaga. Watching it sa mga screen ninyo, behind those nakakatawa at kwela, nakakatakam kainin. Kahit adventures ay ang hirap to edit and to put a stopper show to get viral and trending. And also sa mga tao behind those cameras, kung paano nila pinagpaguran mabuo ang isang movie or a film. I know, wala pa tayo sa best natin kahigala, but we're getting there. And as always, maraming salamat po sa pagsubaybay. Ang lights, camera, action here in Singapore, a truly fun activity, and for me, it's 10 out of